How to solve? X power 6 is equal to 144. Find the value of x. So we have x power 6 is equal to 144 is same as 12 square. Now we multiply by power of 6 in both sides. So multiply by power of 6, multiply by power of 6. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So it will be x power 6 bracket power x to the power 6 is equal to, here I can apply this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So it will be 12 power of 2 times 6, that means 12 power of 12. Now let x power 6 is substituted by t. So our equation will be t power t is equal to 12 power of 12. Now here I can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So it will be t is equal to 12. Now remember that x power 6 is substituted by t. So t, that means x power 6 is equal to 12. Now we need the value of x. So we multiply by power of 1 by 6 in both sides. Multiply by power of 1 by 6. Now this will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to plus or minus 12 power of 1 by 6 can be written as 6th root of 12. So plus or minus 6th root of 12, this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.